This is David Humphrey with ARC Advisory Group in Europe. I would like to take a few minutes of your time to describe some of the communications and marketing support services that we offer to our clients. ARC is known for our industry events, our forums, obviously our market studies, and for our reports. But these reports are typically available only to advisory service clients. There are, however, two types of reports that can be commissioned without being a direct client of ARC, and I want to describe two of those. One is the ARC white paper. It's typically a 16, 20, 24-page document that, by definition, white is a neutral paper. We describe a situation, I'd like to call it a problem, and then we offer descriptions of ways to solve that problem using technology that's available on the market. That could be, for example, be your technology. Here's one that I wrote, I think over 20 years ago, that back when we used to use paper. Today, obviously, everything is available online in one form or another. Another shorter report is what we call the ARC View. This is a 3 to 5 pager. The goal is decision-making industry executives to reach out to them and to inform them on a key industry topic, with something they can read while they're waiting for a flight, while they're drinking the morning coffee, and to provide enough information at a high level to allow them to speak intelligently on this topic next time they're in a situation where they need to sound intelligent. That's the ARC View. I'll give you an example of what one looks like. These reports are available on our website, as I mentioned. ARC Views actually are linked to our weekly ArcWire newsletter. If you don't receive that yet, you can sign up for it, obviously, for free at our website, arcweb.com. In our client area, you'll find downloadable versions of the reports. For example, here's a report on how one company is solving the problem of the industrial edge by creating an open ecosystem for edge apps and devices. Again, this is a 4-page report that comes right to the point and is targeted at industry executives. It's technical, but it's not too technical. It tends to be high level and designed for decision makers. In addition to ARC reports, we often conduct custom surveys. These are projects that reach out to the market, to our extensive client or customer base of people from the industry. And we get them to share their data and their views and their opinions on trends and current topics. And we collect the data and analyze it and put it into a report that gives you a picture of, for example, what your target market looks like and what your customers are asking for. That's a customer survey. We offer a number of mailing options. I mentioned ArcWire. We have a monthly magazine from ARC in the US. Here in Europe, we have our client support letter that comes out once a month. And finally, we offer marketing services that include podcasts, custom webinars, and sponsorship associated with our forums. We mentioned our forums in another short film, but these include the big Orlando forum that takes place every year with about 1,000 high-level industry executives in Orlando in the US. Then we have our European forum, which is slightly smaller, that takes place in sunny Spain in May. And that's followed by 2 forums in Asia. We have our Bangalore forum in India and our Tokyo forum, obviously, in Japan. If you have any questions on ARC marketing services, we'd be happy to discuss them in detail and to figure out what we can do for you on a custom basis to suit your needs. Please contact us. If you're in Europe, you can call our client managers or contact us via our website or through the US through the same channel. Thanks very much for listening.